Let's take a look at the walk activity on your Vivoactive 4 or Venu. Let's press the start button and we'll select walk from the activity list. While it waits for the GPS fix, we'll swipe up. We can access our settings from here. And from here we can adjust the data screen, alert, auto lap, auto pause, auto scroll, and other features for the walk activity. We hit on the back. And now once we have a GPS fix, we see the green notification and we can press start to actually start the activity. Now during the activity, we can swipe up or down to reveal the data screens that we can customize. We can also do a manual lap by pressing on the back button, and this will override if you have auto lap turned on. You can press the start button if you want to pause the activity, and you'll see a quick summary where you can discard or save. You can press start to resume the activity. Now during the activity, you can press and hold the back button, and that will give you access to the walk settings. It's the same settings we saw before. We can also access the Vivoactive settings, or we can access navigation settings here if you want to save or navigate to a waypoint. Once we're done our activity, you can press on the start button. Again, we get back at our summary screen, we can tap on the save. And once it's saved, we'll see a nice summary screen of our activity, which includes our VO2 max, some stats, and we'll see our GPS breadcrumb trail appear along with the HR graph. And there you go. That is the walk activity on the Vivoactive 4 or Venu.